Hey friends, I'm your host Saurabh from Technuter Review. Today I come with Vivo V9. In this video I will do the unboxing and the first impression of this smartphone. So now I'm going to unboxing this device first, then we will tell you about the specification and design, and in last I will tell you the first impression. So now I'm going to just open this box. Here you can see, and in this packet you will find the back cover of this smartphone, quick start guide, and warranty card. Here you can see this is the warranty card. It is the warranty card, and last one is this is the SIM ejector tool. So inside this packet we will see. Apart from it, here this is the Vivo V9. You can see very beautiful Vivo V9 here. So now I will just put it here and we will check what inside this box. Inside this box you will see here this is a charging adapter, charging cord, and last in-ear earphone. Here you can see in-ear earphone. So now I'm just putting all of this side, and quickly we will check the design of this smartphone. On the back side, here you can see the back camera. This device comes with dual lens setup, where one lens is 16 megapixel and second one is the 5 megapixel. Apart from it, on the right hand side here you will find volume rocker key. It is the power button. Left hand side, this area is SIM tray area. Bottom side here you can see charging port area, a speaker, and 3.5 mm audio jack. Apart from it, on the top side here you will find nothing, and this is the smartphone. Back side you will find here this is the fingerprint sensor area. Vivo's branding is also here. Now I'm going to just unlock this smartphone. Here you can see I have just unlocked the smartphone, and this is the first look of the display of this smartphone. The main USP of this smartphone is its screen. Here you can see the screen size of this smartphone is 6.3 inch, which comes with full HD, and this device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And here you can see that the display of this smartphone comes with 19:9 aspect ratio, and here you can see notched area. So this smartphone also comes with a notch display with 19:9 aspect ratio and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Apart from it, RAM in this smartphone is 4 GB, which is DDR3. Internal storage is 64 GB, and you can expand it up to 256 GB via microSD card. Front camera is 24 megapixel, and aperture for the front camera is f2.0. Aperture for the back camera, I already told you that about this. The back camera of Vivo V9 comes with dual lens setup. One lens is 16 megapixel and second one is a 5 megapixel. So aperture for the 16 megapixel lens is f2.0, and aperture for 5 megapixel lens is f2.4. Apart from it, battery in this smartphone is 3260 mAh. This device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, which is and UI is Fun Touch OS 4.0. These are all things. This is the specification of this smartphone. Apart from it, if I'm going to tell you about the processor, processor in this smartphone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 626, and the fingerprint sensor works pretty well. Here you can see the moment I have touch here and it's unlocked here. We quickly go inside the setting area. Inside the setting area, on the top here you will see offline Wi-Fi, mobile network, personal hotspot, Bluetooth, OTG also available in this smartphone, battery, location, language and input, accounts and sync, Google. These are some things. Apart from it, we quickly go inside the more settings area. Inside the more setting area, on the top here you will see about phone. Inside the about phone here, I told you already that this smartphone runs on Fun Touch OS based on Android. So here it's mentioned here. Apart from it, processor is 2.2 GHz, Snapdragon 626 octa-core, RAM 4 GB, which I already told you. These are some things inside this setting area, and the navigation keys are on the top of the screen. Here this is the back, this is for the home, and this is for the recent app. These are some things inside the setting area. Now we quickly go inside the camera area and we will check what are the some good things inside here. So friends, we are inside the camera area. On the top here you can see it is a gear icon. This is the setting for the smartphone. Apart from it, these are the some modes like the Ultra HD, dock, slow motion and time lapse. Now I'm going to back from here. This is for the portrait, this is for the flash, and this is for the HDR mode. And apart from it, there are some modes bottom side of this smartphone, like the text, photo, video, ER sticker. This is a very good things. Apart from it, I want to show you some other things like the panorama and professional. So these are some modes inside this smartphone. Now I'm going to show you some pictures which I have captured through this smartphone. So friends, now I'm going to show you the picture quality of this smartphone. I have captured this image by using the front camera, and you can see the background is the blur. So there is a mode inside the front camera that you can blur your background image. So here the background image is blurred and the main object is pretty well, and you can see the detail of this image. It's pretty well. Apart from it, the second one here, you can see the background. You can see the car in the background, and in this image there is no car. And again, here in this video you are not able to see this person, but in this video you are able to see this person with the car. Apart from it, the picture quality is pretty well by using the front camera. These are the sub-samples images for back camera of this smartphone, and the detailing of the smartphone is pretty well. You can see each and everything of this flower inside this flower here. Again, for this flower. So picture quality of the front and back camera both is pretty well here. Again, the detailing of this image, and you can see each and everything inside this flower here. These are some back camera samples, and all of these images are the daylight images. Now I'm going to show you low light image samples here. This is the low light samples. From here you can see the picture quality one by one. Each images are showing very good picture quality, and best part is that all of these picture qualities which I have taken in the low light, you can see. So I have tried to capture many images through this camera, and this one is my favorite one because I have captured it in the evening time. Okay, and the picture quality, you can see it's pretty well here. Again, here you can see the picture quality. And now this I have captured using the front camera. You can see here the picture quality. Again, the back camera samples. So I have tried to capture as many as photos by using the Vivo V9, because the main USP of this smartphone is front camera, back camera. It's 19:9 screen ratio. These are some USP of this smartphone, and you can see the picture quality of this smartphone is pretty well. So friend, these are some picture samples. I like these picture samples very well, and all of the picture quality comes with very good detailing and the color. Okay, apart from it, I want to show you that notification area. Once you will slide from top to bottom, this area is the notification area, where you will find your email notification, your WhatsApp notification, your Twitter notification, Instagram notification, missed call notification, SMS notification and other notification. Apart from it, when you will slide from bottom to top, here you will see here the silent mode, eye protection, Wi-Fi, flashlight, Bluetooth, speed up, data network, screen capture, rotation lock, Wi-Fi hotspot, offline mode, multiple tasks. Each and everything is mentioned here. So friend, this is my unboxing and the first impression of this Vivo's newly launched device. This is Vivo V9. Hope you liked this video. So friend, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel Technuter Review. I will come very soon with a detailed review of this particular smartphone. For that time, thanks.